Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead. Monkey. Exceptional. Lion. Excellent. Who is green and toothy? Crocodile. Yes. Who is big, fat, and has a huge horn on its nose? Rhinoceros. Keep it up. Tiger. Great job. What bird can't fly, but runs very fast? Ostrich. Way to go. Who jumps a lot and carries its kids in a stomach pouch? Kangaroo. Good thinking. Who looks like a striped horse? Zebra. Nice. Elephant. Not bad. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Monkey. Monkeys are small, smart, and curious animals. When searching for food, they sometimes use tools they make themselves, just like people. Monkeys are very quick learners. Some monkeys have even learned sign language. Lion. Lion is often called the king of the jungle, but it is really a type of cat. Boy lions have really big manes. Lions live in Africa and hunt in large groups called prides. They eat antelopes, zebras, and even elephants. Crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers. They can hide in the water without moving for many hours, waiting for their dinner to come. Crocodiles use their big jaws to hold the animals that they catch, and then they drag their prey into deeper water and drown it. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a big and heavy animal with thick, firm skin and a big horn on its nose. It doesn't eat animals, but it is extremely dangerous. If you make them angry, rhinoceroses will start running towards you. Rhinos are also known to be a fire brigade. They put down any small fire they see. Tiger. The tiger is the biggest cat in the world. Its striped color pattern allows it to hide well in the jungle. Tigers are quite widespread in Asia. Tigers swim well and love baths. They prey on deer, buffalo, and wild pigs, but also hunt for monkeys, birds, and reptiles. Ostrich. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It is quite a fast runner, but because it's so big and has such small wings, it cannot fly. The bird has legs that are strong enough to break people's bones. Be careful. Lots of people think that ostriches hide their heads in the sand when there is danger, but it's not true. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are very interesting animals. They move in huge jumps and carry their babies around in a pouch on their belly. There is a funny legend connected with the animal's name. Captain James Cook came to Australia and asked one of the locals what this animal is called. He did not understand the lieutenant and said, "I don't understand you," which sounded like kangaroo. But this story is not true. Zebra. Zebras are white with black stripes. No two zebras have the same stripes. Just like every person has different fingerprints. Zebras can run up to 40 miles per hour, and baby zebras can run an hour after they are born. Elephant. Elephants are huge and massive animals. They have big ears, long trunks, and large tusks. Elephants use their ears to fan themselves, and their long trunks to reach fruits and leaves. Tusks serve as good protection from any predator, but only a desperate animal would risk attacking this living mountain. Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead. Seagull. Perfect. Fur seal. That's the way. Who carries its own house? Tortoise. You did it. What fish hunts other fish and has lots of teeth? Shark. You're good. Who lives in the water but is not a fish? Snake. Give it another try. Who lives in the water? Dolphin. Sweet. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now, seagull. Seagulls live on the shore. The birds can come in various colors: white, gray, yellowish, and even a mix of all of these colors. They fly over the seas looking for food, usually fish. And when a seagull sees a silly fish that came too close to the water surface, it quickly dives in and... Fur seal. Fur seals spend a lot of time in the sun. They seem to be clumsy on land, which is very funny to watch. But in the water, they are extremely fast. Fur seals are longer than even a very tall person. They have legs that look like fins and short fur. This allows them to swim fast and stay warm even in very cold water. Tortoise. Tortoises are known to live for a very long time. You can meet the one your great-great-great-grandfather met 200 years ago. While turtles live on water, tortoises live on land. Their shell is so hard, no predator can bite through it. But if it falls on its back, it can rarely turn over on its own. Shark. Sharks are fast and precise and live in the deep blue sea. Sharks are perfect hunters and can smell blood from many miles away. But they are not as mean as people think. Sharks clean the seas from wounded animals. Dolphin. Many people think dolphins are fish, but it's not true. They are mammals, just like people. And when they go underwater, they have to hold their breath, just like you and me. They are funny, kind, caring, and very amusing. Dolphins love people and have even saved people from drowning. Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and Let's play Guess the Animal. Who eats dead animals? Vulture. All right. Who is the fastest animal? Cheetah. Oh yeah. Who has pink feathers? Flamingo. You go. Who has humps and lives in the desert? Camel. Bravo. Who likes to lie in a puddle? Hippopotamus. Beautiful. Who has a really long neck? Giraffe. Dynamite. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead. What is the favorite fruit for monkeys? Bananas. Super. Ostriches are known as birds that lay. Big egg. Superb. What do lions like to eat? Meat. Phenomenal. What do crocodiles hunt for? Zebras. Good. Camels can live for several weeks without water. Hooray! What do vultures eat? Carrion. Good work. What do sharks eat? Fish. Nice work. Hooray! You guessed all the animals in this area. Now go back and choose a new area.